This version is so much creamier. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Pastiera Napoletana, a ricotta pie typically eaten on Easter Sunday. It's a traditional dessert in many southern Italian regions, where ricotta is often used in pastries like cannoli, siciliani or sfogliatelle napoletane. You can find different authentic versions of pastiera. This one is my favorite. The filling is not too sweet, and it's fluffier and creamier than other pastiera versions, as the egg whites are whisked separately and then added to the rest of the mixture. The pie crust is thin, delicate, and flaky, and there are no fruit candies. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the descriptions below. Some ingredients are found only in specialized Italian food shops or on Amazon, and you can find them in the affiliate links above. Orange flower water and grano cotto. Pre-cooked wheat berries are specially prepared for this type of pie and give the filling a texture similar to creamy rice pudding. Traditionally, sheep's milk ricotta is used in desserts. As it's not easy to find outside Italy, you can use cow milk ricotta cheese. If you plan to make the pastiera for Easter, you can start 2 days before Easter and bake it the day before. The flavour is better the next day. Okay, let's get started. First, we prepare the wheat. Bring the wheat, sugar, butter and milk to a boil. Then turn down the heat and simmer it for about 10 minutes. Once it's done, move it to a bowl and let it cool completely at room temperature. Next, we make the pasta frolla dough, the sweet shortcrust pastry. First, mix all the dry stuff, the flour, the sugar, in your food processor. Then add in all the wet ingredients and mix it until a dough forms. Take the dough out, put it on a floured surface and cut off about a third of it. We'll use that for the top. Wrap up that third and set it aside. Roll out the rest of the dough to make the base for our pie. Butter and flour your baking pan. The key is so it doesn't stick. Lay the dough base in the pan. Trim off the edges to make it neat. Poke the bottom all over with a fork. This prevents it from puffing up too much. Pop it in the fridge to chill while we'll make the filling. Now for the pastry top. Take that reserved dough, cut it into 8 pieces. Remove the 2 end pieces from each. We just want the straight parts for strips. From each piece, make 6 strips and make 2 extra long strips for the middle of the pie top. Set those strips aside for later. Making the filling is super easy. In a big bowl, mix together all the filling ingredients, except for the egg whites. Stir it all together till it's totally blended. In a separate bowl, whisk those egg whites until they're nice and firm. Then, gently fold those egg whites into the filling mixture bit by bit. Now we are ready to assemble the pie. Pour the filling over the chilled pastry base. Take those pastry strips and create a crisscross diamond pattern over the top. Take any leftover dough scraps and roll them into long strips. Place that strip all around the edge of the pie. Bake the pie in a hot oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, for about an hour. Once it's done, let it cool down completely in the pan before taking it out. If it's too warm, the creamy filling will break the pastry and make a mess. Dust it with icing sugar and it's ready to serve. Here you have the perfect pastiera with a creamy, rich filling, sweet and fragrant balanced flavors, and a wonderfully flaky crust. Even better tomorrow. Pastiera should be stored in the fridge. It will last for 3 to 4 days. For more Italian Easter recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Why do they have to ruin all good desserts with fruit candies?